Guten Tag and welcome to River Forest, close to FM 359. I want to give you a tour from this really beautiful subdivision in Richmond, Texas. Just off FM 359 in Richmond lies this exclusive enclave of River Forest. Welcome to a place where winding roads lead to stately custom homes, where privacy and elegance intertwine to create an unparalleled living experience. River Forest is renowned for its spacious acreage properties, offering homeowners the ultimate in privacy and seclusion. Homeowners enjoy the benefits of private water well and septic systems, ensuring a self-sufficient lifestyle away from the hustle and bustle of the city living. Homes were started in 1995 and presently you still see some new construction in the area. The average square foot of the homes are 4,800 square foot. Lot sizes are 1.5 acres up to 6 acres. The median market value is 1.4 million. The value range of the homes are 1 million to 2.8 million. The tax rate is 1.6%. If you are searching for a luxurious escape from the ordinary, look no further than River Forest. Here, amidst the moss-covered oaks, you will find a place where dreams become reality and where every day feels like a vacation. Welcome to River Forest, where luxury meets nature in perfect harmony.